Good afternoon and welcome to the Year 2 Assembly. A very special welcome to our new Deputy Principal, Mrs. Dawson. We hope you enjoy your first Chapman Assembly.
We would like to acknowledge the traditional owners and custodians of this land, the Ngunnawal people and any other Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today.
Please stand proudly for the national anthem. Thanks, Year 2. We will now sing our school song. We will now sing a song we have been having a great time singing in our unit, which was Swinging on a Star. We hope you enjoy it.
To swing on a star, carry moonbeams home in a jar, and be better off than you are. Or would you rather be a mule? A mule is an animal with long funny ears. He kicks up at anything he hears. His back is brawny and his brain is weak. He's just plain stupid with the stars screaming. By the way, if you hate to go to school, you may grow up to be a mule. Or would you like to swing on a star, carry moonbeams home in a jar, and be better off than you are? Or would you rather be a pig? A pig is an animal with dirt on his face. His shoes are a terrible disgrace. He's got no manners when he eats his food. He's fat and lazy and extremely rude. But if you don't care a feather or a fig, you may grow up to be a pig. Or would you like to swing on a star, carry moonbeams home in a jar?
Jasper and Lissy, it's two of the stars of the Year 2 Assembly. Lissy, how did it feel?
Well, kind of nervous.
Bit nervous? Jasper, how did you feel?
Yeah, butterflies in my stomach.
Butterflies? Did you have fun though?
Yes.
And what was your favourite performance?
Probably the push and pull one, EBD's favourite.
The push and pull? Okay. What about you, Liz?
Probably push and pull.
Push and pull too? Okay.